I think we're out of touch with the magic of being human. When we reduce our life's purpose to just making ends meet, things can get stressful. When you're connected to nature, which is a part of you, you come closer to your true self.
The rhythm of nature is life's most brilliant symphony. So don't forget to pause and listen to the rhythm of the ocean, or the song of the crickets or the bullfrogs, or even just the rhythm of the wind in the trees can help you feel more settled and stable. Meditation offers you this incredible palette and this opportunity to investigate your own brilliance and to make it come alive.
Nature is our natural home. We're animals. We were never born to live in houses, flying aeroplanes and driving cars. This is our home. This is our natural home. And by coming back to nature, we're helping ourselves with stress relief. We're reducing the possibility of having anxiety and depression. We're lowering our blood pressure. We're regulating our heart rate. We're building a strong immune system. So we're helping ourselves both physically and mentally. We just need to get ourselves out of the house and into nature, where we can really start to engage.